All right, now we're doing 7Q Thinkful Object Drills Quarks. This is by Gray Drake. 89% of people like it. So we're modeling the interaction between a large number of quarks and have decided to create a quark class so that we can generate our own quark objects. Quarks are the fundamental particles and the only fundamental particle to experience all four fundamental forces, believe it or not. Oh my goodness. Nothing like some particle physics to blow your mind. Anyway, our quark class should allow us to create quarks of any valid color, red, blue, and green, and any valid flavor. Up, down, strange, charm, top, and bottom. I've already gone through the Wikipedia about quarks. This is for reals. I don't know why nerds just can't come up with regular words, but I guess, you can take the nerd out of the computer class, but you can't take the computer class out of the nerd or something like that. I don't know. Every quark has the same baryon number, blah, 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 blah. Every quark should have an interact C method that allows any quark to interact with another quark via strong force. When two quarks interact, they change colors. That's the only thing we needed to know when it came to this whole thing. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to write a class. We're going to make a constructor for this thing, assign some what are they called? We're going to assign some values or whatever they're called. I don't remember what they're called. And then after that, we're going to make a prototype method that changes colors from this color to that color and that color to this color, because that's what happens when quarks interact with each other. All right, so first things first, let's do the constructor. And a constructor method is just a special method of class for creating and initializing an object instance of that class. So we're just going to put constructor and call it, and then put like color and flavor in there. I don't even think we need the flavor in there, to be honest, because all we're going to mess with is the quark, is the what's it called? The colors. Oh, but we do need it because we got to put the baryon number and the flavor and the color in there. All right, so let's just start by doing that. And the way we're going to do that is by using Object.assign. All right. And the Object.assign method copies all enumerable own properties from one or more source objects to a target object, and then returns the modified target object, right? So the syntax is going to be Object.assign, and then we're going to put the target, which is going to be this for these ones, since we're doing prototypes, and then all the sources, which is going to be like color, flavor, baryon number, right? So, like right here, we're going to start by doing the constructor thing, like I said. So we're going to say constructor, and then we're going to have a couple of arguments in here, and the arguments we're going to have our color and flavor, because baryon number stays the same no matter what. All right, and then we're going to do the Object.assign. Whoops. Object.assign. And like I said, the syntax is target and then sources. So target is going to be this, all right, like this dot color, this dot flavor, whatever. And then for the sources, we're going to have an object, and inside the object we're going to have color, flavor, and baryon number, just like this, and it's going to have colon 1/3, because this is a constant. It's never going to change. All right. And so that's good for that. Now we're going to do the little method, and the method we're going to call interact right here. That's what we're looking for. Interact, and then for the method, where we are, classes. We're going to use let me see. We're going to use one of these prototype methods, and we're just going to put the name of it here, and inside of it we're going to put some we're going to put the quark as the as the argument. All right, so we're going to say interact Quark, and then for the interaction, we're going to say this dot color, because that's what we're looking for. We're looking for stuff like this. What are we looking at? Anyway, we're going to put this dot color here, and then we're going to put Quark color here, Quark dot color here, and then we're going to switch them out by saying Quark dot color and comma, we're going to say this dot color. All right, so it's just going to come in like that. This is going to be the color here, then whatever Quark it's messing with right here, then it's just going to switch out like it says right here. And that should work. Let's see what happens. All right, cool. Let's attempt it. All right, awesome. 4 milliseconds. We're not gonna, there's no such thing as a one-liner for this. And so there we go. Let's just submit it. Very satisfied. I'm not too good at classes yet, but whatever. We'll get there, right? Just us two, I guess, top one. Best practice in my opinion, and we'll see you next time.